So for our current gain, okay, so that's output over input. It is equals to IC over IB. Diba? Remember, our IC is equals to BIB all over IB. IB radyo na siya. So, cancel IB. So, our current gain for our common emitter configuration is just equal to our beta. Okay, that one. Right? No other explanation for the common emitter. Next, we have here our common collector. Is also called grounded collector configuration. The collector terminal is common to both input and output. The input signal is connected directly to the base, and the output signal is taken from across our emitter, walay collector between the two. This type of configuration is commonly known as voltage follower or emitter follower circuit, and it has a voltage gain of 1 or the what we so-called unity gain. So we have here the gamma, nakainana siya, or sa uban nakainana. Okay? It is equals to our output is taken from our emitter, okay, emitter IA, and our input is taken from our base, right? Remember, IE is equals to beta plus 1, IB, and IB also. So, our gamma is equals to beta plus 1, right? So, that's it. That's for the current gain for our common collector. Okay. Yan, common base. Common collector amplification factor, the GAM. Right? That's it. Okay. Moving forward, we have the relationships between DC and current gains. So we have here, muna siya mga formula. IE is equals to IB over IC. Okay? Magamit na siya class instances, wala na kung simple lang nga mga circuitry niya, wala gihatag si IE. So, kung given si IB o si IC, makuha mo si IE. Right? So, naata diri si IC over IE, which is equals to beta over beta plus 1 or 1 plus beta. Okay? So, for beta, we have IC, diba? IC equals to BIB. So, manipulate lang dyan na siya class. In terms of alpha, makuha na to si beta. Why? Because IC is equals to alpha IE. Oops. Okay? So, beta is equals to IC over IB. And IC in terms of alpha is alpha IE. And for IB in terms of kani, IE 1 minus alpha. So cancel out IE. So therefore it is also equal to alpha over 1 minus alpha. Muoni siya. Right? And these are also the formulas for our IB, IC, and IE. Okay? Manipulation na na siya class mo. Sag-oran kag mga 2 to 3 and then you can collaborate each para makuha mo og mga laing formula. So for the characteristic of our transistor, so we have here power gain for common base low, common emitter high, common collector medium. For current gain, we have low, medium, high. Okay. And for voltage gain, we have high, medium, low. And for the phase angle, we have 0, 180, and 0. For output impedance, we have very high because it has a very low current. And high, medium, high, low. For input impedance, low, medium, and high. Muna siyang table of the characteristics of our configuration. Excuse me. Next, we have here we have the BJT DC biasing. Okay, we have the very first one, the fixed bias. Now, in solving fixed biases class, we can do KVL. Okay, KVL, introduce na ako siya sa inyo ha, looping on uh, previous topics for electronics. KVL, wherein all voltages across our circuit must be equal to 0. Okay, the algebraic sum of all the voltages across our circuit is equal to 0. So to solve fixed bias, we can make two loops. For the capacitor, this is a capacitor class. Okay, you can just neglect the capacitor because we are doing DC biasing. We're not doing AC biasing. So short na siya, neglect na siya. So basically, we can do a loop here and we can do another loop punta dire. Right? Now, to solve the first equation, okay, so this is VCC, right? That is VCC. So, make a loop padung diri. So, una na itong maagian is the VCC. Okay, VCC minus, again, unsay lang maagian nga voltage. Unsay next magian, we have the resistor. But to make the resistor in terms of voltage, dapat na ay current. So that's ICRC because this one is equal to VC, right? That's a voltage drop. Minus, again, niingon ko, bisag walay pangan nga VCE diha naagi na siya VCE. Okay? Napabatay lang magian. Kung man ni VCE, wala. Kaya wala tayo resistor ni IE ni emitter junction. So, equal to 0. Another, on the left side, kani siya class, kani nga part diri kani is the what we so called collector to emitter loop. Kani diri is collector to base loop. Collector base loop. Okay? So, for the CB loop, collector base loop, so we have the VCC. VCC una na itong magian. Sunod si RB. Si RB na ay kuyog na IB. IB, RB. Minus, okay, minus because this is plus minus. Plus minus. Okay, plus minus. Our ang resistance gas travels from high density to lower density. So VCC minus IBRB unsa pay laing voltahe magian the VBE minus VBE napabailain wala na equal to 0. And these are the two main equations for our fixed bias nga pwede na to gamiton sa pag-solve sa problem number 1. So for problem number 1, we need to solve IB, IC, VCE, VB, VC, and VBC with a given circuit. So in solving IB, okay, in solving IB, we have asa man nato makuha si IB? The collector to base loop or the collector to emitter loop? Ari jud ta diri, collector base loop, right? So ari ta diri VCC minus IBRB minus VBE. Remember, bisag way nakasulat di class, VBE yun na siya. Okay? VBE naabay resistor sa ato ang emitter, wala. Equal to 0. Atong kuhaon kuno si IB. So, we need to manipulate the equation. So, IB, RB equal to VCC minus VBE. Divide both sides with RB. Okay? IB is equal to VCC minus VBE equal to RB. Right? So, to solve IB, pila atong VCC? We have 12. Our VBE class is constant na siya always. That's 0.7. 0.7, 0.7, 0.7. Ay siya na siya. And we have the RB. Pila atong RB? We have 240 K ohms. Right? So, we can have our IB equal to 47.08 microamperes. IB class is naka-micro na siya. Si IB si IB naka-micro, si IC or IE kay naka-milli. Okay? So for IB, we have here our IB already, right? Next, we need to solve our IC. Remember, IC has a formula of bid, right? So IC is, we have our beta given here, which is 50. 50 multiplied with our IB, 47.08 microamperes. So IC is equal to 2.35 milliampere. That's our IC. Okay. Next, we have our VCE. Okay. Asan po pwede na ito makuha si VCE, which is the collector to emitter loop. So that's VCC minus ang sign sa magian RC nga nay kuyog IC. ICRC o sa magian VCE minus VCE equal to 0. What may lain? So VCE manipulate the equation is equals to VCC minus ICRC, which is equals to 12 minus we have our IC of 2.35 milliamperes or 2.35 times 10 to the negative 3 multiplied with our RC, which is 2.2 kOhms. Okay, this is equals to 6.83 volts. Okay, that's our VCE. Right? Next, we need to solve our VB. VB. VB is missing. Right. So we have another set of formula class wherein VCE, wherein VCE is equal to VC minus VE. VBC is equals to VB minus VC, and VBE is equals to VB minus VE. Una siya another set of formulas, class. Now, to find VB, okay, we can make use of this one. Why? Because we don't have any VE. So VE is 0. Because we don't have any resistors at the emitter. Right? Since we don't have any resistors at the emitter, so VE is definitely equal to 0. And we already have our VBE. VBE is constant, which is 0.7. Right? So manipulate the equation. We have VB is equals to VBE plus VE. But VE equal to 0, so VB is just equal to VBE, which is 0.7 volts. Okay, next we need to solve our VC. So for VC class, we can make use of this one. Again, because we don't have VE. So VC, ato manipulate ang equation. So VC is VCE plus VE. VE equal to 0, and we have VCE, which is equals to 6.83 volts. Right? That's for our VC. Next, we need to find our VBC. Okay, VBC can be solved using this one. Right? Because we already have our VB and VC. So VBC is equals to VB minus VC, which is 0.7 minus 6.83. So VBC is equal to negative 6.13 volts. Right, that's for number 1. Next, we have number 2. For number 2, we need to solve our IB, IC, and VCE. So for number 2, we need to solve for our IB. IB, makuha na to sa collector to base loop, which is this way. Right? So we have VCC minus IB, RB minus VBE equal to 0, IBRB, IBRB equal to VCC minus VBE all over RB, all over RB. IB is equals to VCC minus VBE over RB, which is equal to 20 minus 0.7 all over 470K ohms. IB should be equal to 41.06 microampere. That's for our IB. Again, IC can be solved by using BIB. So IC is equals to beta, which is 90. Kani, IB is 41.06 times 10 to the negative 6. Therefore, IC is equal to 3.70 milliamperes. Right? So that's our IC. Next, we need to solve our VCE. So for VCE, this is equal to VCC minus ICRC minus VCE equal to 0. Right? Manipulate VCE is equals to VCC minus ICRC. VCE is equals to 20 minus IC, which is 3.70 milliamperes, RC, which is 5 kilo ohms. So VCE is equal to 1.5 volts. Okay, that's for number 2. Screenshot 123, 123. Right? Okay, next we have the emitter stabilized or what we so called emitter bias. BJT is reinforced with the emitter resistor for enhancing its stability with regards to changing ambient temperature. And it contains emitter resistor. For fixed bias, we don't have resistor. So emitter. Karon, naalang tayo emitter. So basically, kasi it's just a fixed bias ka na emitter resistor. Okay? So to solve for our emitter bias configuration, we need to do KVL. Okay? For KVL, we still have two loops, this one here and this one here. So we have VCC minus CRC na natuyog IC, CVCE. Again, bisag wala na nakabutang diha, na siya diha, visible lang. And we have already our I. Si IE nga natuyog RE. Equal to 0. Right? So, another one for the collector to base. So, VCC minus IBRB, left side na loop, minus VBE, minus IERE, equal to 0. Okay, that's how you solve for the emitter bias configuration. Right? Screenshot 123, 123. Okay, next. Okay, solution na yun. So for letter A, we need to solve IB. Okay, remember VCC is equals to left side na loop ta, collector to base loop. So VCC minus IB RB minus VBE minus IE RE equal to 0. And dili mo ta makakuha ni IE dayon kas because IB is also missing. So what we can do is, remember, IE is equals to beta plus 1 IB. Right? Beta plus 1 IB na siya, class. Atong i-substitute. VCC minus IBRB minus VBE, si IE atau substitutan ani. Ngayon equals minus IB beta plus 1 RE equal to 0. And we need to manipulate para makuha nato si IB. So VCC minus VBE equal to IB beta plus 1 RE plus IB RB. Right? So VCC minus VBE is equals to, we can factor out IB. So IB is equals to RB plus beta plus 1 RE. Right? That one. Kuyog na si beta plus 1 RE class ha. Dili na pwede shuffle-shuffle nga ikuyog ni RB sa left side. Okay. And divide both sides with RB plus beta plus 1 RE or RE beta plus 1. Basta di lang siya ni RB diri nga side. Okay. So, mahabi din si dot IB. So, IB is basically VCC minus VBE all over RB plus beta plus 1 RE. Okay, let's solve this. VCC is 20, VBE is 0.7, RB is 430K plus beta, which is 50 plus 1, or yung direct, so 51 multiplied with RE, which is 1K. Okay, RC na siya class, may RE. Again, neglect the capacitor. Right, so IB is basically equal to 40.12 microamperes. That's for our IB. Next, we need to solve our IC. Okay, remember IC is equals to beta IB. IC is equals to 50 multiplied by 40.12 microampere. So IC is equal to 2.01 milliamperes. That's for our IC. Next, we need to solve our VCE. So VCE, ngayon asa makuha si VCE, di ari nga loop. Right? Connector to emitter loop. So VCC minus ICRC minus VCE minus IERE equal to 0. Right. So we can then solve our VCE equal to VCC minus ICRC minus IERE. This wala tay IE. Again, IE is almost equal to our IC. So we can use the 2.01 milliamperes. Or kung paitaon jud ninyo si IE class, we can make use of beta plus 1 IB. Right? But in here, in analysis, we need to use IE is approximately equal to IC. So VCC is equals to, VCE is equals to 20 minus 2.01 milliamperes multiplied with 2K ICRC. 2K minus 2.01 milliamperes times 2.01. RE is 1K. So VCE is equal to 13.93 volts. Right. Okay, next. Letter D, we have VC. So for VC plus, we can solve VC by making a loop here. Okay, dili man ta pwede mo gamit ni VCE is equals to BC minus VE. Okay, wala pa man tayo VE. Right? So, VC can be solved by making a loop on the right side. So, VCC minus ICRC minus VC equals 0 because VC is the voltage drop here. Voltage drop from our collector down to our ground. Okay? So, nanay VC diha. Okay? Dili ka dapat moagi og emitter because ana man siya collector to ground. So, dire padong ground. Dili moagi ni emitter. Dili pa ana. Right? So, VC can be solved by VCC minus ICRC. So, VCC is 20 minus IC is 2.01 milliamperes multiplied with RC, which is 2K. So VC is equal to 15.98 volts. Right. Letter E. So for letter E, we need to solve VE. Okay. For VE, we have from our VCE, VCE is equals to VC minus VE. So manipulating the equation, so we have VE is equals to VC minus VCE. So VC is equals to 15.98 minus VCE, which is 13.93 volts, which is equals to 2.01 volts. Or you can make use of our Ohm's law, IERE, di ba? Itong IE is 2.01 because IE is equals to IC. Right? Multiply ni mo ni RE, which is 1K, so 2.01 milliamperes times 1K is 2.01 volts. Right? For letter F, VB. In solving VB class, we can make use of VBE is equals to VB minus VE. So VB is equals to VBE plus VE, which is 0.7 plus 2.01, which is 2.71 volts. Okay, next, last day, we have the VBC. For VBC, we can make use of VB minus VC. VB being 2.01 minus VC, which is 15.98 volts. So VBC is equals to negative 13.27. Okay. Wala siya ang ato ang fixed bias number 1. No problem. Take screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Emitter din na. Emitter. Emitter. Okay. Next, we have here voltage divider. Okay, so the most popular way to bias a transistor is with the voltage divider bias. The advantage lies in its stability. If designed properly, the circuit is practically immune to changes in our VDC caused by other by either transistor replacement or temperature variation. Again, because our beta DC, nano siya DC class because we are doing DC analysis. Our beta is temperature dependent. Okay. An example of voltage divider bias is shown in the figure on the right side. Okay. So notice that the VB is the voltage measured from the base lead to ground, which is actually the voltage drop across our R2. Okay, muna siya ang gimin class. Diba naingon ko nga naa diri si VB. So VB is the measured voltage or the voltage measured from the base to our ground, which is across our R2. So VB is the voltage drop across our R2 or VR2. Okay, and since the voltage divider is made up of R1 and R2, so during a part class is the fusion of the R1 and R2, so VB can be calculated using the voltage divider formula. R2 VCC all over R1 R2 or inaning a style class or inan na. Okay, that's VB. VB. Okay, base. Okay, next. There are two methods that can be applied to analyze the voltage divider configuration. The first to be demonstrated is the exact method, which can be applied to any voltage divider configuration. The second is referred to as the approximate method and can be applied only if specific conditions are satisfied. The approximate approach permits a more direct analysis with the savings in time and energy. It is also particularly helpful in the design mode to be described in the later section. All in all, the approximate approach can be applied to the majority of situations and therefore should be examined with the same interest as the exact method. So let's start to discuss first. Let's tackle first the exact analysis. So the input side of the network could be reproduced as shown in the figure below for the DC analysis. The Thevenin equivalent is a circuit analysis, electrical circuit analysis. Okay. The Thevenin equivalent network for the network to the left of the base terminal can then be found in the following manner. So in ani man siya first class, right? In ani siya first. Okay, tanaw ni mo siya diri. Neglect the capacitor. So this part here, ang VCC class is iya rang gi-flip padong diri. Okay? Ang kaning VCC is iya rang gi-flip padong diri. Kay mao man ni siya yung nagsupply sa atong voltage divider. Okay, kabantay mo si R1 gipadong ra diri, si VCC gi-flip ra padong diri and R2 is as is. Okay, iya ra nang gi-flip para makabuhat ta og network, the Thevenin network. Kani siya nga network class, dili man pwede ngayon ani ra ta diretso. Okay, dapat i-simplify na nato siya class into a emitter bias. Okay, so to simplify that, we need to use Thevenin circuit analysis. What are Thevenin's? Yes, Thevenin analysis. How? So, mano ni siya ang iyahang network class. The next thing you do is himuon mangita ka ni RTH and VTH. VTH is sometimes called ETH. Okay, only in Thevenin. So, to solve RTH class, si VCC kuno, di ba supposed to be VCC kani, ang ha? Okay, di ba yung ani siya? Right? Ang next step na is si VCC daw is iyang i-short. Himuon niya nga wire, which is kani. Himo niya nga wire. Then pagtan-aw na to, si R1 is parallel ni R2. Nganong parallel man siya? Because napat ang transistor diri kani nga part. Okay? Since parallel man siya, makuha na to si RTH by using the parallel formula of a resistor. How? Naay conventional process wherein RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, or 1 or RT is equals to 1 all over 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Or in the modern solution, it is equivalent to R1, R2 all over R1 plus R2. Okay? Product over sum sa duha ka resistor. That's how you solve RTH. If nakuha na mo si RTH, then ang kanang duha ka resistor, usa na lang. Okay, remember, mausa na lang na siya. Next, after RTH, makuha ni mo si ETH. Are you still there? Hello?
Yes, miss.
Miss, yes, miss.
Okay. Okay. After nimo makuha si RTH, kuha ni po napud nimo si RTH unsaon man. Di ba last is imong gi short circuit si VCC diri. Pag humani mo kuha ni RTH, kuha na to nimo short ilis ibalik nimo si VCC, which is ingon ani na siya. Okay? Now, si ETH makuha nimo class by using the voltage divider formula. Nga ang sulat nga ang denotation is not VB. Diri, VB man siya because that's the basic or the main formula for our voltage divider. But since we are doing Thevenins, ang nakabutang diha ETH or VTH or VR2. Okay? R2 VCC plus R1 plus R2. Right? ETH na siya class basta exact. ETH or VTH or VR2. Dili ko daw o VB ha. Kay dili na siya base diha. VR2 yun na siya or ETH, VTH. Right? So, imong buhatan diha, imo ibalik si VCC o isolve nimo si ETH or VTH using voltage divider formula. Kuhaan nimo ang R2, multiply nimo ni VCC or na katong sa babaw nga VCC, multiply all over sum ani nilang duha. That's the voltage divider formula. After nimo nakuha si RTH or VTH, so basically close ingon ani na siya. This is the VTH or ETH no, ETH, and if, di ba, supposed to be R1 and R2, but RTH naman na siya, so RTH naman siya. And then, the transistor already, which is kani. Right? Muna na siya, class. So, from this part, ngayon na siyang ingon ani. Right? So, from ingon ana class, di ba, complicated siya ang diri nga part, nahimo na siya nga fixed emitter bias. Kay mo naman nasumpayan diri. Right? Kani diri. Kani nga part diri. Kani ba kani. Right? Ato okay. So, to make a loop, so, asa man siya ni gawas? Positive. So, ETH, positive si ETH. Asa man siya ni gawas ni RTH? Okay, negative. Minus IB, RTH. IB na siya diha. Okay, kurente na diha is sa base. Dayon, minus ni, plus minus mo na si VBE. Minus VBE, and then plus minus, ligawan siya sa negative ni RE, so minus IE, RE, equal to 0. Mo siya. But then again, we don't have IB and IE, so need to sacrifice 1. So since IE can be solved using beta plus 1 IB, so imong i-substitute. Right? So, substitute nimo. ETH minus IB, RTH, minus VBE, minus IB, beta plus 1, RE, equal to 0. Right? Yung substitute. And then, imong what do you call this? Gi-factor out si IB. Imong i-manipulate si equation para makuha mo si IB. Factor out IB, makabilin si RTH plus, kaya ma-plus man ni siya i-transpose. Beta plus 1 RE. Right? Divide both sides by RTH plus beta plus 1 RE. Both sides. So IB is equals to this one. Na equation. So, muna siya ng ato ang IB, which is kani. Right? Now, once IB is known, the remaining quantities of the network can be found in the same manner as developed for the emitter bias configuration. Since makuha naman nato si IB, makuha na nato si IC. Again, IC is BIB. Right? Beta IB. Since makuha naman nato si IC, therefore, makuha nato si IE. Diba? IC is equivalent ni IE. Diba? Supposed to be, kung mag-loop na class is ingon animan, VCC C minus ICRC minus VCE minus IERE. Right? Equal to 0. For emitter bias ba? Now, since IE is equals to IC, so pwede na siya ingon ani. ICR CCC minus VCE minus ICRE, since I is equals to IC. Now, if we can factor out IC here, so mahimot siyang VCE is equals to sakto na. VCE, VCC, factor out, finding VCE. So, manipulate VCE, transpose to the other side of the equation. So, mabilin si VCC. And since we have ICRE, ICRC, so we can factor out IC. Then, i-add lang nimo si RCOC, RE. Kaya kung imo ni i-distribute, mahimo mo siyang negative RC minus negative minus ICRE, which is equal to ano. Okay, muna siya ang gimin sa formula. Okay, next. Right, so we have number 4. Determine the following for the voltage divider bias configuration, which is exact. Right, so for exact, we have ETH. Okay, ETH is equals to, so voltage divider R2 VCC all over R1 plus R2, which is equals to R2 is 3.9K. This is R2. This is R1. Multiplied by 22 all over 39K plus 3.9K. This is equals to 2 volts. That's for VTH. Next, we have our RTH. So that's R1, R2, R1 plus R2. So 39K multiplied by 3.9K all over 39K plus 3.9K. This is equals to 3.55 kilo ohms. Right? That's for our RTH. Next, we need to solve for our IB. Our IB class, since wala ra may changes atong IB, nga wala siya additional resistor diha, so wala changes ato ang formula, which is, we have here, kani, ATH minus VBE all over RTH plus beta plus 1 RE. Right? Kani. Okay? Kung walay changes. Right? So, So we have ETH, we have 2 minus VBE, which is 0.7, all over RTH, which is 0.55, 3.55K rather, plus beta, which is 100 plus 1, multiplied with RE, which is 1.5K. Again, neglect the capacitor. So IB is equal to 8.38 microamperes. That's for our IB. Letter D, we have IC. IC is equal to BIB. Beta is 100 multiplied with IB, which is 8.38 microampere. So this is equal to 0.84 milliampere. That's for letter D. Right? Letter E, VCE. Okay? Wala changes sa VCE, therefore we can have this formula. Right? VCC minus IC RC plus RE. Right? Kung di mo ganahan magsago og formula class, you can make a loop. Okay? Muna akong buhaton. Kung malimot ko sa formula, mag-loop ra ko sa circuit. So VCC, we have 22 minus IC, which is 0.84 milliamperes. RC, which is 10K. RE is 1.5K. So VCE is equal to 12.34 volts. Right? Next, letter F. We have VC. For VC, again, we can solve our VC. Not yet, di ta ka pwede ka gamit itong VCE is equals to VC minus VE. But we can make a loop. Nag-stop diri. So that's VCC minus ICRC VCC minus ICRC minus VC. Stop because it is already ground. No? From the definition of our VC, it is the measured voltage from our collector region down, collector terminal region down to ground. Wala na agian diha. Ground diretso. So equal to 0. So therefore, VC is equals to VCC minus ICRC. So VCE is equals to VCC is 22 minus IC, which is 0.84 milliamperes multiplied by RC, which is 10K. So this is 13.6 volts. Right? So that's 13.6 volts. Okay, next we have VB. Okay, for VB gas, we can make use of our VBE minus VB is equals to VB minus VE, so we can make use of that. So VB is equals to VBE plus VE. Okay, so VB is 0.7 and VE is makuha na ba nato si VE? Yes, we can. VCE minus VC. Ano ba tayo VC? So VE is VC minus VCE. Okay, so VC is equals to 13.6 volts minus VCE, which is 12.34 volts, which is equals to 1.26 volts. So 0.7 plus 1.26 is equals to 1.96 volts. Right? Okay, next, KBC, we have GH. Okay. H, we have the VBC. So for VBC, okay, 5 minutes. So for VBC, we have VB minus VC equal to 1.96. We have our VC of 13.6 volts. So this is equals to negative 11.64 volts. Right, take screenshot class. Right, and next, this is assignment. Deadline. Tomorrow. 11:59 AM. Okay, why malate?
Wala, miss. Ay, miss, na ako'y question, miss.
Sige, go.
Dili ba Labor Day Wednesday, miss?
May 1, di ba?
Nakita ko sa calendar, miss.
Yes, Labor Day na siya. Pag-post na ko, di pa ko na-realize. So, ako pa napa na yung mga changes. Basin, madungan mo sa day. Okay? Kaya di na pwede ma-move. Okay, mag-discuss pa ko sa inyong other subject. Tanaw lang sa nako. Pero na-joy puruhan nga madungan mo sa day. Ang schedule sa day is 1 to 4 man. So, that's 3 hours still. 1 to 4. Kung April 30 ba, wait, i-check na ko. Kung sa ilang schedule. Schedule. 2G. Yes, April 30, ilahang numerical. Naamoy, kuha na, 1 to 4? Ay, wala. May klase, ana. 4 pa man yung klase. Yes.
4:30, miss.
Ana ra ko. Okay. So, 1 to 4 na siya. And then, mora may next.
Tuesday ba na, miss?
Yes, Tuesday. Tuesday na ilaha.
Okay, miss.
Ahead mo na sila o kuan. Din sa inyo. Okay.
Excuse me, miss.
So, yes, go.
Kanang nag-attendance na mo, miss. Na-date
Wala
pag
pa, wala
gamay.
pa.
Ay,
Wala
sige,
pa,
thank
wala
you.
pa. Sige. Asa naman to? Na-screenshot na ninyo, Kas?
Unsa, miss?
Kaya ba na-screenshot na ni?
Miss.
Okay. Okay, next we have the approximate analysis. So for the first one, di ba exact? So this is the second one, approximate analysis. So the condition that confirms whether the execution of the approximate method is feasible or not is decided by the equation. So for voltage divider exact class is we need to use the Thevenin's analysis. For Kani class is we just need to satisfy this condition. If the beta multiplied with our RE is greater than or equal to the 10 times of our R2, kung masatisfy na siya class, then we can go ahead and use the approximate analysis. But if not, kung dili siya masatisfy class, exact imong gamiton. Okay? So, kung masatisfy siya class sa atong approximate analysis, first nimong buhaton is to find our VB by using the voltage divider formula, which is this one. R2 VCC all over R1 plus R2. That is VB. VB na siya class. Dili na siya ETH. ETH is only used in Thevenin. ETH, RTH. Si ETH, sundan na lang RTH sa Thevenin. Dili yung VB tama na. Basta, masatisfy ka ni. Masatisfy na siya. Right? So, kung nakuha na nato ang VB, we can go ahead solve VE. Sorry, class. Kay nga no, di ba, ang naman tayo VBE is equals to VB minus VE. Right? And nakuha naman na to si VB. So, VB is given the amperage is 0.7. Therefore, makuha na to ang missing nga VE, which